have free time today and I just realized I can crochet something. I have a big crochet project that I'm gonna make like soon, but I'm waiting on the yarn to get here and it just got delayed, so I have a couple days to kill. And I think I'm gonna crochet something fun because I'm good on Etsy stuff. You know, I've been crocheting for that the last couple weeks, so let's make something fun. So I was scrolling through my like to be crocheted Pinterest board, which is like the Pinterest board I put everything that I think is cool that I eventually want to make on that board. So I was scrolling through it and I found something that I want to make. So I paid for the $7 pattern. But this is what we're gonna be making. It's like it's called like an asymmetrical poncho shawl thing. It's definitely for colder weather, and I am in the middle of summer, but like it's gonna get cold soon, and camping and things like that, it's gonna start getting colder. So I'm more so making it for fall, even though we're not there yet, but I'm being hopeful. Honestly, summer makes me depressed, so we're gonna pretend it's fall and we're gonna make a fall item. Also, I need more stuff to wear like in my videos that is visible on my top half, so I'm gonna be making the asymmetrical shawl poncho thing. I paid $7 for this pattern and I don't want to buy any yarn, so I picked a pattern that uses weight 4 yarn, so we can go through all the weight 4 yarn I have and put together a color scheme. Okay, because we're not buying yarn. I just bought $50 worth of yarn for another video you'll see eventually to make something bigger, like huge. So no spending money on yarn for this video. We're just gonna use what we got, which kind of makes it fun. It's like a little challenge trying to figure out what colors to use. So I downloaded the pattern. I'm gonna go through it. I downloaded it onto my iPad because that's where I put all my patterns. I don't know. I like being able to like erase and mark and stuff. So this is also a pattern review, if you haven't already put that together. It's super cute. It's chunky. I'm excited. It says level easy. We need Red Heart Super Saver yarn in colors. One skein for one color, another skein, another skein. So it looks like 3 to 4 skeins. You can do a combination of yarn textures and colors. Okay, so we need like 3 to 4 skeins, different colors. A 9mm hook. Let's go. I love using big hooks. Pattern is worked in rounds, crochet loosely. Yes, let's go. Okay, I'm so excited. I love weight 4 yarn with giant hooks. I just love those projects. So this is gonna be exactly what I'm wanting. I want an easy, something I can do probably in a day or two. So this should work fine. So I have a 9mm somewhere, I'll find it, but let's go through our colors. It looks like we're gonna need 3 to 4 kind of colors that go together. So we're only gonna be going through what I have in my cart here. So let's move everything out of the way and pull this one out. Now we have to go through it. So we want Red Heart Super Saver. There's none of that on the top layer. So really it's just these 2 layers. I want like a fall vibe, but I don't think I have a lot of fall colors. I don't know. I'm trying to stay away from just doing like green every single time. We could probably use this orange. We just need 3 or 4, right? So we could use this orange. Oh, I have some brushed red yarn. Oh, that's perfect for like a fall vibe. Okay, we might not use this one. I'm still looking. We're not doing pinks. I could add yellow. Oh, brown. Okay. This is giving fall. Maybe we could add a little yellow. These are fall colors. God, I don't know. This is hard. I mean, we could do some red. Some deeper red. I think these might be our colors. Princess is really getting involved today. I think this is it, you guys. Also, I might justify going yarn shopping because look at this. My cart is looking so empty. I think the challenge should be to get rid of all of my yarn before I go shopping. So, but this is gonna do. This will have to do, actually. Here's the problem though. These aren't full skeins. She said full, like there's 3 full skeins. So I was just gonna do like 4 and they're not all full. I don't know. Okay, I'm at the 1 hour mark, and this is about how much we've got done. One thing I love about working with weight 4 yarn and a 9mm hook is things work up so quickly. Like we already did the neck hole somewhere. Right here. And it's only been exactly an hour. So, So far, no problems with the pattern, except that all the pictures in the pattern are super blurry. So, but all the numbers are adding up. The only thing is that all of the pictures that are supposed to help are literally so blurry that you can't read them, so. Okay, we've hit the 2-hour mark. We've gotten a lot more rows done. Laying it down, I'm just now realizing that this is curling up. But I don't know, I think it's supposed to because there's no increasing, which would make it curl up like this because there are no increases. And I don't know, I think it's supposed to curl. I don't know, the pattern doesn't say anything about it, but I switched, we've done the dark red, we've done the orange, and I switched to this like brushed yarn because she said different textures make it look nice. So I switched to that. I have like one more row of this brushed yarn, and then I think I'm gonna do this yellow for one row. I don't want to have a lot of yellow in this is basically what I'm trying to do. And then I'm saving this brown for the neck because I like how brown looks against my face more than I like how orange and red look against my face. So I'm trying to save it, but I don't really know how many rows I have left. I don't know. I thought I didn't have that many left, but I scrolled down and it looks like I still have a bunch left. So this is 2 hours in. I'm not gonna put it on until the very end like usual. But again, all the pictures in this pattern are so blurry, so they're not helpful. So if it's marked as beginner, which the stitches are easy, but if you need any form of help through the pictures, you're not gonna get it in the pattern. I just think for a $7 pattern, the picture should not be blurry. I'll check back in on hour 3. I forgot to check in at the 3-hour mark. So it's been 4 hours. Here's my stopwatch for proof. It's been 4 hours, and I'm gonna show you how far we are. I think we're on row 25 and there's 27 rows. So we have row 25, 26, and so we have 3 left, okay? I've been switching between my colors. You guys saw the colors I had in the beginning. I have this much of the dark red, this much of the brushed red, the brown. I'm saving the brown. I used it a little in here so that it like ties into the neck, but I want to use most of it on the neck. I'm almost out of the orange and the yellow. So this is kind of where we started. We started in this red circle, we worked our way out, and we left a spot for the neck, which is right here. So it's supposed to be like folded with the neck at the top. It's supposed to be like a shorter circle in the top and a longer circle in the back. So yeah, we have like 3 rows left. But one thing I did want to add about the pattern is, 1, the pictures are still blurry throughout the whole thing. There's not a clear photo. And 2, there's no like stitch counts at the end of each row. So you're not sure if you have the right amount with every row. So you're really just winging it. Like, I'm sure I increased or decreased in some areas on accident just because there's no count for you to follow. So there's no way of knowing if you have the right amount of stitches in each row. And that's not like something you need for every pattern, but I think if your pattern's gonna be $7, you might wanna consider having like row by row, end of row stitch counts, like most paid patterns have. So far, I'm not really thinking that it's worth the $7, and I actually have no idea if this is gonna turn out correctly because I haven't put it on yet. So I'm waiting to put it on at the end like we usually do in these videos, but so far, I'm not impressed with the amount of money spent on the pattern. Okay, you guys, it took 5 hours and 37 minutes to finish. This is what we have left of all of our yarn that I originally grabbed. So I'm gonna go ahead and this is the finished project. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on to show you for the first time. I'm kind of nervous, but it's fine. I'm gonna find something to wear underneath it and we'll do a little reveal. I put something former fitting on to try it on. Put it on, I'm nervous. Hey, I don't know what's going on with this neck. I don't know, maybe if I don't know. The back is really nice though. I just don't know what's going on with the neck. Do you know what I mean? Okay, like, do you see what I mean? The neck is just weird. I do love that it's like shorter in the front and longer in the back. It's so fun. I just don't know if I like this neck. It's for fall. I don't know. The colors we were picking were just the colors I already had, but while I was making it, I was like, oh god, I kind of hate the colors, but now that it's on, I don't know, now that it's on I kind of like it. Is it supposed to be like pulled back more? I don't know. Because like, okay, I made the neck long like you're supposed to, and it's supposed to fold over, but I just feel like it's not like folding over how it's supposed to, if that makes sense. I love this. And it only took like 5.5 hours of my life. Like, come on, it's worth it. I think this is the best spot for lighting. Isn't it cute though? I am in my pajama pants, but it's fine, it's fine. Can you see the whole back from right there? Like, come on. It comes down like the perfect length in the front and in the back. It's so pretty. Okay, I literally love it. I love it. Okay, I love it. I'm not gonna steam it or anything. I think it's perfect the way it is. Now, the only couple things I have to say about this pattern are blurry photos that don't help, and the lack of stitch counts at the end of every round. Basically, if you're beginner, I don't recommend it, but if you've had projects before and you can kind of work things out when you don't have all the pieces or you don't have all of the information, you'll do fine. But I don't know if it's worth $7. I don't know. I feel like you could find a free YouTube tutorial version of one of these and probably get more detail for it. But I like how it turned out. And what's cool is, even if I messed up like at the end of every row, if I accidentally increased or decreased without realizing it, like, it's so big, I mean, you won't see it, you know what I mean? So cute, I love it. Okay, that is the end of our pattern review, so I will link the pattern down in the description box if you want to buy it. But other than that, I will see you in the next video. Let me know what you think of this, if you like the colors, if you hate the colors. I don't know, I kind of like them in some angles and then I kind of hate them in others, so let me know though. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!